everybody, it's Logan here at me and McGee Market again, showing another market update. I know these orange cones are really awesome, but what we've decided to do is to put in a fence. The fence will be a shorter fence to keep everything open, 2-rung, but we're really excited to be able to get all these orange things out of the way and have it look a lot better. With that, we want to make sure that the parking still flows really well. We've got more parking in the back, but we don't want to block this way at all. When we block this, it kind of shuts everything down. The fence, we'll be able to hang some signs on to look a little cleaner and direct traffic, but we've got that parking graphic that will be in the stories posted regularly, and it shows how the flow is. So this is a one-way in, park in the back, exit on the other side of the market. The fence and the fence line has opened up possibly a parking spot or two, but we'll have that marked really good, really easy. But we're gonna improve on the parking. So if you came out and it was just too much, we'll do better, I promise. Now that we've covered the fence a little more, let's go look at the baskets, because the environment is really important to what me and McGee is. And Neva, my mom, is the one that really kind of takes that to the next level. So we've got these moss baskets. I'm gonna show you what she's done with a few. We've got a lot more coming in, so let's go take a look at those. All right, here's one of the moss baskets that, if you watch some of the previous videos, this shipment came in while we were filming and we opened it up. These moss baskets have gone over so well. So Mom has these set around different spots. She's got a petunia in one, begonias in the shade. So she's added some corbels and some ferns. We'll go look at that here in a minute. But this is something that's gone over really well. We placed another order. We'll have more hopefully within the week, maybe next week. Here's another one of the moss baskets that Mom has put some corbels and 2 different types of ferns in there. It can be put in the shade. We were kind of concerned with how they would hold up being a different material, and we've been really happy with how they've done. These are all perennials. This will be something that will need to be transplanted at some point as the coral bells get bigger. The coral bells have flowers, great hummingbird attracting plant in areas that you may not have as much sun. I'm gonna give you a little update on Lander now, and we'll go talk about that at Lander's Corner. Wanted to hit on something else that I really wasn't expecting. The newsletter has gone over really well. I thought email was kind of dead, and I was obviously wrong. So the email's gone over good. We're going to improve that significantly on how that newsletter goes out. So we've got a new system. We're trying to get it all figured out, so bear with us. It may be a week or so before we're able to really get things rolling, but it's going to be a lot more automated and easy. So we're excited about that. It'll be a little different platform than you may be used to with it, but it'll be better, I promise on that too. So here at Lander's Corner, he has got scans on the 29th, and so if it's all clear, no signs of disease, no signs of cancer, he's going to be able to get his port out. That is going to be huge if that happens. So right now, if he gets a fever at all, the port is just a central line into his heart, and that way, so the infection can go straight to his heart. So if he gets sick, we go into Children's. He's admitted for, last time it was a week, on IV antibiotics. So it's really serious, and that'll be a big relief, especially when he's completely clear. So right now, he's no sign of disease. Hopefully we're staying with that. He's also been nominated as an ambassador for Children's. Children's has done such an amazing job taking care of people. We could not do it without them. Very thankful for Children's, and we'll let y'all know if he ends up getting the ambassador and then what that all entails. We're gonna just keep trucking along with what we're doing. We're gonna do the Lander's Corner video. He had a lot of fun doing the Baruca nut one. Can link back to that one on YouTube and show you the trail mix that he likes to make. If you like that, go to Lander's Corner on YouTube and subscribe, and we'll keep putting those videos out to how we fight cancer. And thank y'all. Hope to see y'all this weekend, and have a good rest of your week.